Okay, let's try this. Class City Class. Okay, one more time. Let's get this right. Class City Glass. Okay, if they were really loud and said yes, city, yes, go ahead and give them a point, Mr. Miss Substitute. I'm not sure. Um, anyway, right there. So if they got a point, 1 second celebration, woo! Or if I got a point, mighty groan. Ah. Okay, so uh, based on the data you had, your responses should have been something like this. So I'm just going to print it. I can't really see written up here, but I'm going to pretend that the information supports the thesis statement. So your sentences should have been the data off of the table shows that 5 out of 5 times Rita was sent home, and 5 out of 5 times Tiffany had to stay on the island, supporting the thesis statement. If you had something like that, then you were good to go. If for some reason that data did not reflect that, then you would had to have stated it using your numbers. So this has been kind of interesting, and hopefully you've enjoyed this. I'm going to be turning this over now to the crash course history, where you're going to watch part 1 of World War II. Now, don't forget, we've got that deal with cell phones. I don't want the substitute teacher having to deal with cell phones out. If to this point you've gotten away with it, you can't anymore. So if the substitute sees anybody with cell phones for the rest of the period, I will get a point. So substitute teacher, please make sure you note that over here. But if nobody uses their cell phones and they're paying attention, then you can give them a point. And if they've got more points than me by the end of the week, they will get some donuts next week. Yes, if this is the period with Miss Carpenter, I will make sure you have 2 donuts. I know I owe you one. All right. Well, enjoy the week with Mr. Peretta, and when this ends, you will be doing Crash Course American History. That should take you to the end of the period. Have a great day, and hopefully you like this. Bye.